The Friends of the Library wanted a mural that would draw attention to the library. A critical element was that it should celebrate diversity. Local artist Maxine Olson designed the mural with inspiration from glimpses within the library and life in Kingsburg. Colleen Mitchell Vania took paint and brought it to life. The people depicted are real, not composites. Rayford Johnson, Kingsburg High School class of 1954. Rayford Johnson is an American former decathlete and film actor. He was the 1960 Olympic gold medalist in the decathlon, having won silver in 1956. He had previously won a gold in the 1955 Pan American Games. In 1960, Johnson began acting in motion pictures and working as a sportscaster. Between 1960 and 1990, he appeared in 9 films. On June 5, 1968, he worked on the presidential campaign of U.S. Senator Robert F. Kennedy. And with the help of Rosie Greer, he apprehended Sirhan immediately after Sirhan had assassinated Kennedy at the Ambassador Hotel in Los Angeles, California. In 1993, Rayford Johnson Junior High was built and named in his honor. The school motto, "The Best That I Can Be," is taken from the title of Rayford Johnson's autobiography. Reflecting on his childhood, opportunities, and acceptance in Kingsburg, Rayford Johnson humbly claims, "As far as I'm concerned, it was Kingsburg that put Rayford Johnson on the map." Young Mason Turya sitting at the table as he writes about the rich Native American and Hispanic cultures of the San Joaquin Valley. This scene, featuring the Olsen family, is a tribute to the Swedish heritage of Kingsburg. The Swedish migration began in 1886, and by the taking of the 1920 census, 93% of Kingsburg was of Swedish heritage. Kingsburg is a much more diverse community today, but we all appreciate the contributions of those early Swedish pioneers. The Olsen men are Paul E. Olsen, Bert Olsen, Richard Olsen, and Stanley Olsen. June Olsen Hess is sitting with her nieces, Hannah Duffy and Solveig Olsen. Cassie Berger helps Jonna Ross and Brianna George explore science and the universe. Carl Finley, along with Jerry, Jacob, and Hannah Hensler, enjoy catching up on local news by reading the Kingsburg Recorder.